What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 5 of the FTMO challenge. So we made it to day 5. I didn't open any new trades today. Today's Friday, May 7th, so the market's about to close. It looks like in about an hour or so. I didn't close any trades and I didn't open any new trades. I still had my trades from uh, this week. Actually, I had a few trades that I opened up this Monday that I just been floating, and a few that I opened, I believe, Tuesday and Wednesday. Here are my stats so far. So max loss 2,000. So it's good that we're still under the 10,000, and the max daily loss can't be over 5,000. So good, we're still below that. Um, Profit target, we're not there yet. We still got some time. Again, here are the trades that I had from the day before. 995 profit. This was a trade EuroCAD that I had closed half of the lots and took some profit. That trade is still running. Uh, New Zealand dollar CAD. That one I exited out. I mentioned in my previous video because my exit indicator told me to get out of that trade. And I was actually following up on this pair. And if I had not gotten out of it when my exit indicator told me to, this number right here would probably be around like two grand right now. So I'm glad that I got out of that trade when my exit indicator told me to. Same thing with this one as well. I checked back with AUD Frank, and I'm glad that I got out of it when my exit indicator told me to. So I definitely cut some of my losses there. So far, currently today, let me open up my MetaTrader so I can show you guys what it's looking like. All right, sorry about that. So here we are. We got right now floating about $357. What's crazy is last night, this amount that I was floating was about like 3,500. So I had like 3 grand that I was floating. And then like this morning, it kind of like changed up. But glad that I'm still in the positive right now. So let's see, we got the USD CAD. That's doing pretty good. The GBP CAD, that my exit indicator didn't tell me to get out of this, so I'm still in it. As you can see, it's in the negative. So once my exit indicator tells me to get out of it, I'll get out of it. So I'm just going strictly off my trading plan, no emotion. Euro CAD is doing pretty well. That's the one that I took some profit off of. So I took some profit out of this because I had about, I believe, like almost 2 lots, and it was doing pretty well. So I took half profit and moved the stop loss to kind of break even. So there's no really can't lose anything on this trade because the stop loss is a little bit past where I opened up the trade. The CAD Franc, that's in the negative as you see here, but my exit indicator hasn't told me to get out of the trade, so that one's still running. The CAD JPY seems to be doing pretty good. So here we are, floating about 400. As you can see, my equity is about 99. So it's kind of like I haven't really made much past the 100,000. I'm kind of just like still breaking even in a way. As you look, we look here, the trades that I had lost. So we had the New Zealand dollar CAD. That was like $909 I lost on that one. And then I kind of made some of that back with the Euro CAD um, and the AUD Franc. That was the same day that I closed the New Zealand dollar and CAD. So those two trades kind of set me back, and I kind of bounced back a little bit with the Euro CAD. So we'll see. Now that the weekend's here, the market's about to close. With the challenge, they allow you to leave trades open over the weekend with the FTMO challenge, but I believe once you actually pass the challenge, you actually have to close your trades before the market closes. So these trades, I'm going to leave them open, and let's see how Monday goes next week. So that's my update for today, guys. I appreciate you for watching the video and just tagging along with me on my FTMO journey. Eventually we'll get there. We'll pass this challenge. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.